Affiliate marketing tips you need to know. Affiliate marketing is a lot more than just joining an affiliate program. It is truly a business move that requires planning and patience. It has so many techniques and products that require research, hard work, and patience. Do you have what it takes? Regardless of your answer, here are some tips to help you. One of the biggest drawbacks in affiliate marketing is overreaching. If you are overworked, you will undoubtedly begin to fail at your task, so always remember that it's best to set micro goals for each day instead of attempting to plan your itinerary weeks or months in advance. Start on the smallest of levels, micromanaging your routine, and then you can expand as you progress. Keep up to date with changes happening with the programs you are promoting. If they are offering new items or new things to put on your page, you should know of it. Make it a habit to check the pages of your links on a weekly basis at minimum. You should check often to see how well banners, text links, and recommendations are doing. If you find that one is doing better than another, you should change your tactics so you can yield maximum profits and sales results. Checking these statistics quite often will increase your earning commissions. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, you should make your text very easy to read. Shorter sentences of varying length are much easier for readers to digest. Bold text helps draw readers to important statements. Assuring that visitors read your copyright will ensure that it can sell them products. Now you see that affiliate marketing is a lot more than just joining any affiliate program that you find. It takes planning and hard work. You don't want to join a poor program, so why not take some time to learn how to do it right? The above tips should have given you some advice on how to do that. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.